Good night, folks. Wednesday, 26th of March. So I know a lot of people are a little bit disappointed or don't really understand what's going on with LITM. So I will try to give a scenario, maybe wrong, maybe right, I don't know. And from where come that scenario? From my logical mind, putting myself in the place of the company. So let me explain. The company, they are working for themselves. They are not working for you and me. They want the stock price to be definitely above $1 for a lot of reasons. So in order for them to have the maximum of shares at a good price, and a good price for them is anything under 80 cents. And in a second phase, anything above under $1. So I think they want to buy a big chunk under 80 cents, and they want to buy another chunk under $1. So I expect that all the way to $1 will be very volatile. Why? Because they have until end of April to buy the shares they need to buy. We are at the end of March. So they have another 18, 19 trading days, roughly, to buy back the stocks that they want. These people have some advice from market maker. And if I was them, or if I was the person in charge to give advice to them, what I will say, I say, look, if you buy aggressively right now, you will push the price directly in the 90 cents, $1 area very rapidly, because a lot of retail have the eyes on the stock because the PR of the buyback. So in the beginning, just don't do anything. You can even, encourage the shorter to short or to control the price at the lower that they can. That's what's happening right now. They are cleaning all the area between 70 cents to 62 cents, going up and down, up and down, up and down. A lot of traders come in when they see a jump, and then they sell for a loss because there is no run, and they go somewhere else. So actually, shorts are protecting their position, and the company, I think, is not pushing money right now because maybe they want at the beginning to collect all the shares that impatient trader may drop in the market. So, in my humble opinion, looking at the chart and the technicals, I think that until, I will say, Thursday or Friday, they can buy shares under 80 cents. I think a run is coming. When I say a run, I mean a price going up, from where we are. It's coming, in my humble opinion, Thursday afternoon. We will have some kind of push above 64 cents, going to, I don't know, 80 cents, 82, 90, who knows. But I expect them at each level to stop buying and let the trader go out. Why? Because if they do that, they can collect shares at an interesting price, and the shorts may be on their side because shorts can collect too. So basically, who is taking advantage of the actual situation? The company and the shorts. Retail, if they go in and out, they lose money. That's why I'm not touching anything at my position. I've noticed that technicals are not really working because the price is manipulated. They don't want the price to go above 70 cents. And I think they're going to do that game at every stage, under 70 cents, under 80 cents, under 90 cents, and under $1. The target for the company is at the end of the process, end of April, to have all the shares they need, and we don't know the rhythm they want. They may just don't buy the first week, then buy a big chunk the second week, then stop buying the third week, and then buying aggressively the last week. They may have that kind of strategy, because they are not forced to buy every day or to buy at the very beginning of the period of buyback. So you need to think from the side of the company. If they can collect the maximum of shares under $1, is very interesting for them, because just what they want to see the price at the end of April somewhere around 120, 130, 140, 170, something like that. That's what they want, and from there, the stock will have been trading 10 days above $1, and they will be okay. And they will have retired a lot of shares from the float. So, after that, it's all a question of news, of retail, volume, technicals for the rest of the run. So, actually, you need really to be patient, because we are not falling. We are not in a dump. We are still in an uptrend. But basically, we are cleaning the area of 60 cents to 70 cents. And when they will be finished with that, and I think that will be finished Thursday, max Friday, we will be cleaning another region, the 70 cents to 80 cents for next week. And they will do that week after week, next week, 70 cents to 80 cents, the week after 80 cents to 90 cents, and the final week, 90 cents to $1, with a big final push to push the price up on very high volume. All the indicators are showing that the OBV, for example, every time you have volume, you have big buying, big buying pressure, big green candles. And basically, when you have no volume, that means somewhere around 10 millions, the price is going sideways, code bar price and this kind of thing. And, if I was them, I have absolutely no interest to buy 1 million share now, push the price above $1 with the short covering, and then I need to buy the shares at 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. It's not interesting. If I was them, I will buy from time to time when I see it's the right moment, and then stop. And then wait for the trader to get out and collect, the trader dumping their position because the price is not running quick enough. That's my logical, maybe wrong, maybe right. That's what I think they are going to do. But at a certain moment, you will have a very big push, And I think this push will happen when they will need to bring definitely the price above $1. And you will see that with the volume and this kind of thing, that will show you that that's the thing they are doing, So actually we are in a phase of first week, not even first week, tomorrow is the third day of the buyback period. They have a lot of time left to buy the shares. And they will do that when they see basically that the price is not dropping and that it's a good moment to buy. For example, tomorrow, if we see 62, 63, 64, if I was them, I will buy a big chunk, pushing the price to 70, 73 cents, and then stop. And from there, we're going to build a base above 70 cents. And then same game next week, trying to buy a big chunk between 70 cents to 80 cents when the price is at 71, 72. And if they do that with, being with strategy, they can collect a lot of shares because retail, how they are. When they see that a run is slowing or ending, They just sell and go somewhere else. And that's a big gift for the company and for the short to collect shares without pushing the price too high too quick. Nobody between the shorts and the company have any interest to see the price right now above $1. Nobody want that. They want the price to go gradually up. And at a certain point, they're going to make a push to, during the last 10 trading days, to see the price above $1. Now I may be wrong. Maybe they have another strategy, but if I was them, that's how I will operate, you know. Let's see what happened. Trade safely. From my perspective, I will not touch any shares unless I see a big spike who will, you know, for example, if I see Thursday or Friday a spike to 80 cents, I maybe sell some because I know that I will be able to buy them back at 71, 72. But actually there is absolutely no interest to sell, because if you sell at 66, you will need to buy, maybe if you are lucky, at 63. With the commission, this and that, it's not interesting, you know, to this little movement to go in and out. That's maybe interesting if you want to increase the number of shares you control, to do that when you have a big spike, you know, that will bring volume, and then the day after, profit taking. I will be very surprised, honestly, to see the price this week or beginning of next week spiking to 90 cents, $1. I will be very surprised. I think the shorts and the company have a big interest to keep the price under control, and sometimes release the pressure and then have the price spiking, and then the day after reshort and bring the price down. That's how the thing is going to go, I think. Maybe wrong, maybe right, but it's logical. It's logical because the company have absolutely no interest to buy millions of shares at 110, 120, 130. They just sold them at $1 in January. So the target that they have is to buy them at 60, 70, 80 cents. And then after that, you know, make a big push to have the price above $1 and trade 10 days above. And after that, they will bring news from Namibia, phase 2 drilling, this and that. As you see, they release a PR every 2 days. So they are very motivated to push the price up. But for the buyback, the thing may go not in the same rhythm that we may think, because they have another agenda that we have, naturally. Okay, trade safely. Thank you.